Hi knitters! I'm going to show you today how to make these tiny little pom-poms that I've added to this project and kit, which we're re-releasing. It's called the Loopy Sweet Sheep kit, and it goes along with the Sweet Sheep pattern, but you can read all about that on our website. But I added these teeny tiny pom-poms, and they're maybe, I don't even know, maybe half an inch. So how I made these is I used a fork. Just go grab your fork out of your silverware drawer, and then I'm going to wrap the yarn around 12 times. And I just did it 12 times. You know, it doesn't matter exactly, but just that's what I did on these examples here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to snip the yarn, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut a strand for tying. You may have a different number of tines on your fork, and but what you'll want to do is just center it. So this fork only has 4, so I'm just going to go right in the middle there. I don't pay too much attention to how many tines forks have, so it may vary. Here's my age-old trick for tying a pom-pom. To make the tie stay, you're going to go under once, and then you're going to go under twice, and that will make that tie stay right in place so that your strands don't come out of your pom-pom after you cut it in this example. Now I'm being really careful when I pull this tight because this is our woolen spun yarn. It's not the strongest yarn just due to the way that it's spun. So you want to be really careful, but for this tiny pom-pom it's just fine to use to tie it. I'm going to go under one more time to make a full knot. I just go under once this time when I do it the second time. So now I have a nice full knot. I'm going to go ahead and slide that right off the end of my fork. And now I'm just going to snip these loops. Just make sure you get all your loops snipped in there, and then I give it a good kind of scrunch. And then of course you're going to have to do some trimming to get that in a better shape. And then what I do is I just put the steam on my iron on it, and I give it a really good steam. Just spray steam right on it, and then I just roll it in my hand, and that's why these look a little bit fuller. You can see these look nice and kind of full. So just get your iron out and give it a good steam. And then you're just going to attach it to the end of the scarf and the hat. So there you go, pom-pom, tiny pom-pom with a fork. I hope that helps.